sprouting, and what are sprouts and microgreens? Well, sprouting is the practice of germinating seeds. And you can germinate all kinds of seeds, from leafy greens to legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Seeds have a dormant germ inside of them, and it's brought to life when it's shocked in water and kept in optimal moisture conditions. To germinate, it doesn't need any sunlight. When you think about it, seeds are designed to start their lives under the soil, in the dark, outdoors. To sprout, this seed doesn't need any additional nutrients either. It's only using the nutrients that it has stored inside of itself to sprout. All you have to do is give it the water that it needs. Once you do that, your seeds germinate. They're officially sprouts. After 2 to 7 days of growth, depending on your seed and on your taste preference, you can eat your sprouts: roots, stem, underdeveloped leaves, and all. All types of seeds will sprout, but not all plants are meant to be eaten as sprouts. Some are toxic at this stage, so stay tuned for the safety precautions section where I walk you through which ones to avoid. So we've covered sprouts. What are microgreens? Well, most plants begin their lives as seeds and sprouts. Microgreens are essentially young sprouts that kept maturing for a week or two longer, but in different conditions, with light and usually in the soil. You see, after about a week or so, sprouts will run out of their energy stores. If they want to keep growing, they need sunlight to start photosynthesizing, and nutrient-rich soil or a hydroponic system for further nutrition and also to support their roots. Microgreens are about 1 to 3 inches in height, so they're larger than sprouts, but they're smaller than baby greens. Now get this. Scientifically speaking, a microgreen doesn't become a microgreen until its true leaves develop. Let me explain. The first set of leaves on this sunflower microgreen are the cotyledons. These come from the seed's embryo. The second set of leaves that are starting to grow here, where the cotyledon splits, are known as the true leaves. They develop from the plant's stem. Technically, once the true leaves appear, it's officially a microgreen. If the true leaves aren't there yet, it's technically called a soil sprout. However, a lot of companies that sell seeds for sprouts and microgreens refer to these soil sprouts as microgreens, asking you to harvest them when the first leaves appear. And pea shoots, which are technically shoots, not microgreens, are also commonly referred to as microgreens. So, for the sake of simplicity, we refer to all of these as microgreens, just like many sprouting companies do. With microgreens, you usually just eat the leaves and the stems, but sometimes you can also eat the roots, like with radish microgreens. So, should you eat your seeds as sprouts or microgreens? It depends. Some taste equally good as both, like radishes and broccoli. Often it's just a matter of preference, whether you prefer milder or stronger flavors. It's up to you to explore. So, have fun doing it.